Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We're dedicated to constantly bring you evolving tech gadgets that are being manufactured by the creative minds out there to make life a little easier for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you 12 more of these incredible gadgets. You might need one of these yourself or as a gift to someone special to you. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. You don't want to miss any of our updates. A digitally advanced pet's intimate nanny and playmate is here. Owl Robot is a Wi-Fi enabled device that you can easily pair with your smartphone. Even better. In fact, Owl Robot even lets you give your pet a treat whenever you feel it's the time to give her a snack, whether to. Robot is able to automatic avoid obstacle. You can even track your pet's activity, positioning and trajectory at your place, at any time. As long as something goes wrong, you can take measures immediately to help them. Also talk to your pet with it. ComMarker B4 Small Fiber Laser Engraver is a revolution for all of us because it delivers deeper etches faster and in much finer detail. ComMarker B4's fiber laser source uses glass fibers, population inversion, and an amplifier module to create a stronger, faster-moving laser output. The system's motion is driven by a galvano scanner and field lens to create precise. A portable handle offers optimal range of movement, making engraving on larger, irregularly shaped objects a breeze. ComMarker B4 features a rotary chuck that offers unparalleled precision every time. Are you tired of losing or dropping screws and small tools? So this is the solution for you. Rack Magnetic Wristband for holding screws. Each rack magnetic tool accessory contains 10 powerful magnets embedded in the wristband for holding screws, nails with ease. The interior is doubled layered with a super soft mesh to allow for max breathability. A great time-saving tool by providing a helping hand when you need it most. For convenient access, you can hang it from your workbench or strap it to your belt. I am with the unique type of watch for your desk. Gently adjust the flexible neck to position the cool breeze anywhere you wish. Super compact and lightweight in the design.it is powered by USB port. Plug into a USB port and press the on-off switch to turn fan on and to activate the clock display. To set the time, press and hold the on-off button until minute hand starts blinking. New combination is their oven stand and the wireless charger by which you can magnetically snap the device onto the charger stably and securely, and release your hands for other uses. It contains magnetic, smaller, and non-magnetic, larger, charging areas. The magnetic charging area is for iPhone MagSafe series models and more. By putting in an 0 to 90 degree adjustable supporting bar to the shaft, and making the magnetic charging part 0 to 160 degrees rotatable, your phone could hover at any angle. If you reach for the faucet to turn it on with your dirty hand, you are going to end up with a dirty hand when you turn it off after washing. So why bother washing hands at all? All you want to do is to attach the connector and click in the device. With a simple swiping motion, you may turn the tap on or off. This way, you can stay germ-free and eliminate cross-contamination. 6 different connectors ensures that Auto Water Pro works with any type of faucet. I am here to make everyone fit with this gadget, a device holder that can rotate 90 degrees and 180 degrees for off-row exercises. Get a complete body workout on the row. A rotating console that can accommodate your tablet or smartphone also features cutting-edge tech. Resistance settings for the rower's 32 levels of magnetic resistance are located on the handlebars. A foldable design that is practical for small spaces. With access to hundreds of on-demand sessions at any time, you'll never have to leave your house to become in the best shape of your life. Here is a smart toilet that understands your needs. Simple to use, adjustable settings, endless supply of filtered, hot water. Cyclone Dry technology will quickly dry you. You will always have a comfortable cleaning experience thanks to a heated seat. Between usage, the stainless steel self-cleaning nozzle and UV light clean. A seat and lid that automatically soft closes means an end to noisy, sudden slamming. For a truly hands-free experience, use the automatic and foot button flush. The toilet lid will automatically open when you approach it and have a night light. The remote allows you to regulate the temperature. A new robot for adventure lovers are there for us. HEXA is agile, smart and compact enough to fit in your backpack. HEXA has a high degree of maneuverability to deliver versatility of movements and actions, and can nimbly handle different environments and terrains. This is the ideal robotic body to start creating on. HEXA's optical and spatial sensors allow it to watch and learn from the world around it, and allow you to create interesting and intelligent functionality. Sensors include 720p camera with night vision, 3-axis accelerometer, distance measuring sensor, infrared transmitter. BebeLucy may be your new bed partner. Good sleep does more than just produce white noise. It also works as a humidifier, keeping your bedroom at an optimal humidity level to your liking. Use it just like any other Bluetooth speaker to enjoy other audio content throughout the day. It's important that you go through the REM cycle at an even and rhythmic pace. Creating the optimal sleeping environment with BebeLucy. Good sleep ensures you stay in a balanced sleep cycle so that your waking hours feel stable as well. Want to do something interesting with the phone? Then use it. Atom 2 is the world's first auto-foldable 3-axis phone gimbal that is pocket size. It senses your action for auto startup and folding, making it a hassle-free phone filming assistant. With a built-in tripod and an extendable handle, Atom 2 is perfect for go-anywhere phone filming, vlogging, live streaming, and selfies. Compared with 1 or 2 axes selfie stick-style gimbals, a 3-axis gimbal can best eliminate shakes and jitters in all 3 axes of roll, tilt and pan, balancing the phone camera in real time, which results in smooth and steady videos. Your day could just do without the burden of remembering every phone call. It's specifically designed for MagSafe, compatible with iPhones, and also available other phones with magnetic ring. Simply slide the button up when you need to record a call. Magmo immediately starts recording, without any hassles. This unique technology effectively cuts down background noises, so you can clearly play back your conversations with minimum interruptions. Moreover, the recordings are saved directly onto a hard drive, so all your personal calls will be stored safely without the risk of losing data. So this is all about today's video, and if you like any product from this video, then the product buy link is in description. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.